Good morning, student. Today we are going with the more topics of multimedia. More topics of multimedia will more details about the component. We going with the first component is the text. So you already know that text is used to convey the message or information in the multimedia. So text is a comprises with the different type of typeface. Now what is a typeface? So typeface is a family of character or letters which have a similar looks and style that we call typeface. Now we categorize typeface into the two parts, serif and sans serif. Now what do you mean by serif? So serif font which having some decorative style, decorative looks, that we call as a serif. So these are the some of the example of serif: Times, Century and Bookman. Then the second type is a sans serif. Now what do you mean by sans serif? Sans serif stand for the font without decoration, the font style without decoration, that we call sans serif. So some of the example of sans serif is Arial, Verdana and Helvetica. So this the component, this about component is text. Now we going with the second component, audio. Audio means sound. The complete speech in any language we call sound. So sound we categorize some of the common file of sound file .mid, .midi. So MIDI stand for musical instrument digital interface. So these are the basic starting file of the sound file. Second .rm, .ram. So RM stand for real audio file, which are comprises of audio and video both. Now third is a .wav. So .wav stand for wave files. Then after we learn the .wma. So WMA stand for Windows Media Audio file, which are totally compressed with the Windows Media Compression method. Then after that we learned the latest audio file is .mp3 or .mpga, which are most commonly used audio format, mp3 audio file. So that we already used in the market. Then we learn about the third component of multimedia is image. So image is a graphical representation of emotion, story and message in the pictorial manner. So now image we restore in the two format, bitmap image and vector, means bitmap graphics and vector graphics. Now first type bitmap is store image using pixel. Now what is a pixel? So pixel is a small dot on the screen is called a pixel. So the first method bitmap is stored image in using pixel method, and the second is a vector. The vector is used to store image in form of mathematical equation. So basically we use almost bitmap graphics. Nowadays we using the advanced technology using the vector graphics. Now what are the some commonly used image format in the day by daily use? So .bmp. So what is the .bmp? BMP stand for bitmap image, the oldest format of the image which store with the less capacity. The second format is the .gif. GIF stand for graphical interchange file format. Now this is used to show the interchanges of image in the single images. You many times using this as a GIF image. So where you show the graphical interchange format file. The third thing is the .png. So PNG stand for portable network graphic, which support the 32-bit color scheme or which widely used over the internet images. Then the fourth option is a .jpg or .jpeg. So these are used whenever we taking the picture from web cameras or mobile phone or camera device. So this by default format of the camera device which support 24-bit colors. Then after we use another format is .psd. PSD stand for Photoshop document. Whenever you modifying your image or you creating image file in the Photoshop, so that are by defaultly stored with the .psd format. Then we see the most advanced and most flexible format is .tif. So TIF stand for tagged image file format, which is a highly flexible and platform independent format which widely accepted today. So these are TIF. These are some common format of image. Then we go with the videos. So video we already learned. Video is a sequential representation of image frame by frame. So that we call as a video, which represents some story, some graphics in the sequential manner. So some of the common file of the video is .avi, the audio video interleave files. Then .wmv, the Windows Media file. So that is a .wmv, .mpg, .mpeg, So MPG stand for moving picture expert group file. So these are the older file which are we use in the initial time. Then .mov. So MOV stand for quick time format. So MOV is the most quick time format developed by the Apple Inc. So which developed by the Apple Inc. and a most advanced file system of video format. Then .rm or .rm, which we already learned, combination of audio and video. Then .swf, .flv. So these are the animation file which are creating using the Flash animation software. So whenever we are storing this type of animation video file, so that are stored in .swf and .flv, and the most advanced and commonly used over the internet is .mp4. So mp4 stand for mpeg4 video file, which are commonly mostly used in the nowadays. Then we see the animation. Now what is the animation? So it is a visual change over a time, over some sequence we set up with a sequence of times. So we categorize animation into the two parts: 2D animation, 3D animation. In the 2D animation stand for two-dimensional, where we changes occur in the x and y axis, means height and width, where some of the software which are used to develop the 2D animation application is Macromedia Flash and Synfig Studio and Pencil. From that we are using Synfig Studio for our 2D animation application. Then the second is a 3D animation. 3D animation stand for third dimensional. So third dimensional, they are having a changes occur in x, y and z axis. Some of the software like Maya, Blender, 3D Max. So these are some of the famous software which are used to develop the 3D animation. So this about the animation. Then now what is the uses of multimedia, or what are the applications of multimedia? So nowadays almost all the section are using the multimedia. From that, some of the primary sector which are mostly use the multimedia nowadays is education and training. So nowadays so many education and training are taken on the CBT form. CBT stand for computer based training using multimedia. For example, scuba diving, pilot training, some of the computer based animation training, medical science training, some of the operational technique which are learning using multimedia. Then the second portion is second application is advertisement. Nowadays so many telecom companies or so many advertisement world using the multimedia to reduce the cost of the celebrity brand costing reducing using a animated cartoon. So advertisement mostly use the multimedia. So I give the one or two example is the Vodafone company, the Tata Docomo company, or so many other advertisement platform using their cartoon animated celebrity with the use of multimedia. Then the application is entertainment. So entertainment industry is a vast use of multimedia. I tell that we have showing so many cartoon networks, so many cartoons, superheroes in the using Cartoon Networks channels. So these all are made using multimedia component. And we also see so many biggest Hollywood movies like Avatar, then Jurassic Park. These all are made using a animation. Almost every movie, every action movie or every sequential movie using a multimedia as a part or a fully part of multimedia to make the movie. So entertainment also used with the multimedia. Then journalism, to explore the some story, to explore the some story content, or to view, show the some story using multimedia. Some of the accident sequence, some of the robbery sequence, the journalism also using the multimedia component. These all are the application, or so other widely application are accepted of multimedia in the world. So this about the details media component and application of multimedia. Thank you.